Is it time to buy or sell Berkshire stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Berkshire. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Berkshire as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 3.02%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.6% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $483.17 be breached, it would indicate a potentially accelerated decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 2.03% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 3.14% to positive 7.40%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 23.94%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 23.07% and 39.38% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $601.49 and $681.19. Our latest daily update for Berkshire includes the headline, Berkshire stock price down nearly 0.5% on Thursday. The Berkshire stock price fell by nearly 0.5% on the last day, Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, moving from $491 to $488.74. It has now declined for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.11%, with a low of $485.60 and a high of $491. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 3.61% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 661,000 shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk could be slightly elevated in the upcoming days. In total, 5 million shares changed hands, valued at approximately $2.510 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $542.07, while the lowest was $403.33. Currently, the stock price is 9.84%, or $53.33, below the 52-week high of $542.07, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Berkshire Hathaway, represented by BRK-B, finds itself in a complex landscape as of June 5, 2025. Recent market fluctuations have rekindled investor interest, particularly amidst concerns regarding the impact of rising tariffs and economic volatility. The S&P 500 recently rebounded nearly 18%, recovering from a bear market scare which suggests that investor sentiment is cautiously optimistic. However, many potential investors remain hesitant, with some preferring to stay on the sidelines due to fears over tariffs and national debt dynamics. This backdrop has fueled interest in BRK-B as a stable investment choice. Analysts are now considering Berkshire Hathaway as a safer opportunity, especially as its shares have dipped over 8% from recent highs, presenting a potential buy-the-dip scenario. Given Buffett's reputation for long-term value investing, the company's substantial cash reserves of $347 billion could allow it to capitalize on market downturns, thereby enhancing its long-term growth potential. Additionally, the emergence of new investment vehicles related to Berkshire, like OMAC, which aims to provide consistent income through option strategies, indicates that income-focused investors are actively seeking exposure to BRK-B. In the short term, fluctuation in stock valuations could impact sentiment, yet Berkshire's historical resilience and solid cash position may bolster its standing as a preferred choice for cautious investors seeking reliability amidst market uncertainty. Thus, while short-term volatility may pose challenges, the long-term outlook for BRK-B remains strong as it continues to adapt to changing market conditions. Analysts have given Berkshire stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Berkshire. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development of the stock. The Berkshire stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $499.13 and $513.70. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 9.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, closer monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal, occurring 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal noted 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 86 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Berkshire. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $5.40 between its high and low, which is an increase of 1.11%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Berkshire, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $4.72. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Berkshire. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Berkshire is at 490.38. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock may potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such circumstances. The combined average rating for Berkshire from multiple analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 12th of January, 2024, when Giant Ajit executed an insider sale of 28 shares of Class B common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Berkshire stock a good buy? Berkshire exhibits several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we anticipate Berkshire will open lower by approximately 29 cents, starting the day at $488.45. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.